Hello and welcome back to my scrap room. My name is Jennifer Perry and I am an independent consultant with Close to My Heart. Today we're going to be working out of the Holiday Expressions catalog. Holiday Expressions is available from September 1st until December 31st of 2018. And we're going to continue working with the Grateful Heart papers. We're going to be working on layout 2. If you have watched the past video and you like what you see and you want to have this kit for yourself, it is on page 48 and 49. And it is the Workshops Your Way Grateful Heart Scrapbooking Kit. That is G as in George 1161. There's also going to be a link below. So we're going to be working on layout 2, and this is the cutting guide that comes with your kit. And we're going to be working exactly the way this cutting guide is laid out. So if you're following along at home, I'm going to be doing it exactly the same way as on here. So that way, if for some reason I go ahead or I'm a little bit slower than you want to be, feel free to move on ahead. This is your project too. Now if you were watching the cutting guide, then you saw that I made a cutting mistake. But now that I see the layout, I think it's going to be fine. I don't think the cutting mistake is going to be that big of a deal. I'm going to move these for a second. So that one goes there. These two go here. I think you're in the wrong spot. I think you're in the wrong spot. You don't go there. Okay, I had to stop the camera because I found an error and it's actually not listed in the Close to My Heart stuff. So what I'm actually missing is these two pieces right here. Oh, you know what? Maybe not. Hold on. Nope, I'm not. Right there. Okay. Okay, that makes me feel better. I just found it. I was like, where's 2A? 2A is hanging out right there. You can barely see 2A. So, okay, let's carry on. Not gonna lie, that was freaking me out because I was like, did I really make that bad of a mistake? But no, I did not. Okay, so there's everything separated out. Let's scoot the right side over. Man, that makes me feel better. I hate when I think I've made a cutting mistake like that. So this is 2A, and this is 2B, and they're going to go on top of each other. Just realized I'm missing this guy. Cut him and then forgot to pull him out. We're going to trim him out. There. Man, that makes me feel better. I know I've been known to make cutting mistakes, but I don't normally make them that bad. there. Now I put the adhesive only on the top because they want this to be like that. And you still need to be able to get the photo underneath it. Okay, and these are so tiny. I think I'm going to use just a little bit of score tape. Because I think if I was to try and use the Tombow, I'd get it everywhere. To where with the score tape, I've got a little more precision. Yeah. That is a tiny little piece, holy crap. So now we're going to build a flower. Wait, where's the butterfly? I want a butterfly right there. And we are going to build a flower. So they want this guy. And I think that guy. So I'm going to have this guy be away from the photo. Okay. Now, this is just anti-static powder in a little fluffy top. I'm going to put my finger here. No, that's the part that I'm going to, there we go, I'm going to do this side. And basically what I'm doing is I'm taking the sticky off. To where I can get a photo underneath there. Actually, you're not going to be able to see any of that, so I'm not going to worry with it. So one part of it is sticky, and one part of it is not. Then I'm going to just trim the bottom off. Now on the example, the flower is not hanging off the bottom. My photos are a little lower down because I wanted them a little lower down. So my flower is a little lower down. So this is the left side, and we're going to scoot on over and do the right side. A little score tape. Then I'm going to use the little bitty score tape again. And then that heart, no, not that heart, that heart. Little more score tape, not that one. So again, I'm going to use the anti-static powder. Now if you don't have the anti-static powder in a bottle like this, the pillow works well, the one that we sell works well. This is just happened to be what I had this time. And then the baby powder with just a paintbrush will work. What I actually do is I cut my little pillow apart and I pour the powder in here because I just prefer the bottle. I've had the bottle for years and years. And it's just the method that I prefer. Did you not stick? Oh, I forgot to stick you down. That would have been bad. Just having a tiny little sticker holding it on, that would not have been good. And then you got two little corks. What are we doing on the corks? Looks like they want the little cork pluses. And we have 3x4. And 3x4. I'm going to leave this one the way it is because I do vellum journaling for my daughter because she's dyslexic and she can't read regular handwriting. But I may try and space it out to where that fits properly. I like this card, and I will see if I can just make it work. If I can't make it work, I'll use the card as a mat, and then mat her journaling on a different, smaller card, and just use this one as a mat. You know what? I don't know if I want to put that on there. Okay, so let me show you what's last, and I don't think I'm going to add it to mine, but I will show it to yours. They want this word gratitude to be right here. I don't know if I want that, so I'm going to just leave it alone. I'm not going to put it on there. So this is Grateful Heart, Layout 2, Side 1, Side 2, and together. If you like this layout and you would like to see more of these, I release videos every Sunday morning at 7 o'clock in the morning. If you will hit subscribe so you do not miss these workshops. Again, I do not make any money making the videos, but I do make a small commission from close to my heart every time you place an order. So if you'd like to have a copy of this workshop, just hit the link below or go to myscraproom.net and hit the shopping tab. I know there are 1,001 places that you could be, and you chose to be with me today, and for that I am very thankful. See you next Sunday. Bye-bye.